For this ceviche, remember, peel and chop ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. Add into the fresh lime juice, about 300 ml. Let's bring the flavors with some chili flakes and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then add a couple of tablespoons of sesame oil. From there, grate the zest of an orange and squeeze the juice from it. The fish could be anything from catfish, sea bass, or even salmon. Then strain the marinade on the fish and chill in the fridge for about an hour. From there, add the coconut milk, chop an onion, bell pepper, coriander, and mango in cubes. Mix everything, serve in a bowl, and add some paprika. For texture, I'm adding plantain chips and fresh coriander to give some aroma. Enjoy.